1970 Dodge Challenger RT 383. Original color was green. A friend of mine has been working on it. Still needs a lot of work. He's been doing body work, or he's had somebody else do body work, and he's got it outside. It's got some water on the floor there, but most of the rust is taken care of. But he's, like I said, he still's got a long way to go. .383 non-original motor, but it did bring a 383 from factory. The original color is green, and it's like this is the green that it's the factory color. At one time it looks like it was sublime green. He's got all the parts that are missing, that are off of the car now. This car, he got it from a friend of his, and his friend took it apart and totally stripped it because he was gonna fix it, and that was like in 1985. And since 1985, this guy hasn't seen the road. It does start, and he drives it up and down the street, but that's it. Well, yep, drives like that. Hard to believe.